Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the Boardwalk Gorge. Now this is one of the most scenic places to drive in Jamaica. Very beautiful scenery. On the left we have the Rio Cobra River, and on the right we have the hills. And this is the Boardwalk Gorge. That's the main road that takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios if you're not using the highway. But the highway is a toll road, so you find that a lot of persons still use this route. So we actually just went over the flat bridge, and that's the most famous bridge in Jamaica, and we're heading towards the town of Boardwalk now. So this is the Boardwalk Gorge that leads us to the town of Boardwalk, and we are in St. Catherine, Jamaica. Another scenic place like this, we actually have three very scenic places in Jamaica. You have the Boardwalk Gorge, which is where we're driving now, and then you have Fern Gully, which is on this same route towards, just on the outskirts of Ocho Rios, right before you get into the town of Ocho Rios, when taking the main road, not the highway. And then you have Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth. These are three of the most scenic places to drive in Jamaica. And we're soon going to add some more names to the list, because when driving on the Southern Coastal Highway from Harbourview to Port Antonio, right as you get into St. Thomas by the Grand Span turnoff, very beautiful view. You have the view of those Caribbean Sea, the cliffs. It's definitely going to be added to the list of scenic places to drive in Jamaica. We actually have videos up of all of these places, so you can check out this channel, Driving in Jamaica, and you can also check out Jamaica in 5. That's our other channel, and we have videos up everywhere that we just spoke about. The view from the Southern Coastal Highway, Holland Bamboo, Fern Gully, and the Boardwalk Gorge. So Ocho Rios is one of the main places or attractions that tourists go to in Jamaica, and also a lot of Jamaicans visit it. So that's why this road is used so heavily, because a lot of Jamaicans go to Ocho Rios for vacation or just to check out the attractions over there. In Ocho Rios you have the top 3 attractions in Jamaica. You have Dunn's River Falls, which is a #1 attraction, or the most visited attraction in Jamaica, and it's visited by a lot of tourists and a lot of Jamaicans as well. #2 is Dolphin Cove, where you can swim with the dolphins, also in Ocho Rios, and Mystic Mountain, where you can swing through the hills on the rip lines. That's also in Ocho Rios. So a lot of persons visit Ocho Rios. And it's actually those attractions why the highway was built, Highway 2000, so that persons could get to Ocho Rios very quickly and easily. But that highway is a toll road, so you find that persons still use this existing road. And on the left by the hill, that is the train tracks. And the trains actually still use those tracks. It's just student trains now. It's just students that use the train service now. And that train line runs from Boardwalk from Linstead to Boardwalk to Spanish Town. And it's still in use today. We also have videos up about the train service, so you can check it out, and how far the government has reached in restoring the public train service in Jamaica. So this is a very nice view of the river. That's the Rio Cobra River. So whenever the gorge is blocked, an alternate route is to go over Sligoville. So this is where you would turn on the right to go over Sligoville. But it's not a very nice drive. You're going over a hill that takes a lot longer, and the road is just not that great. So if the Bogwalk Gorge is blocked, I would recommend you use the highway. And you can get from Kingston to Ocho in 45 minutes on the highway. However, you also you can go from Kingston to, they have an exit at Angels, which is just outside Bogwalk. You have another one in Linstead. You have another exit in Monique, although they call that one Unity Valley. And you have another exit, I think it's Golden Grove, and then you go through the toll and exit in Marmy Bay. So you don't have to use the entire length of the highway. You can use sections if you want. Alright, so this is the town of Bogwalk now. And Bogwalk is a very industrial town. It has a lot of plants, manufacturing plants in it. So this is just like town center here. You have a lot of bus and taxi in this area, but as you go further down, you have like Nestle has a huge plant here. True Juice has their plant down here. And you have quite a few other manufacturing plants. Bogwalk is a small town. The town just it's mostly for a transportation hub and to service the manufacturing plants down here. The next major town when you leave Kingston, it's Kingston, then Spanish Town, then Linstead. Those are the main towns. Alright, we're just going to go down and show you guys the True Value or the citrus growers factory. On the left is the Bogwalk police station. You can see a lot of taxis in the area. Alright, so over here now on the left is the True Juice factory. This is where they make the True Juice. But I think the official name is Citrus Growers of Jamaica. That's the name of the company, but they just Tradewinds Citrus Limited. That's it. It used to be the Citrus something.